Welcome to today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. The Bank of Jamaica is offering 27 billion Jamaican dollars of certificates of deposit to financial institutions, individuals, and public sector agencies on Wednesday. The 30-day investment, priced at 5.75% per annum, is aimed at pulling money out of circulation to help contain inflation. Of that amount, 25.65 billion will be available to private financial institutions and individuals on a competitive basis. Interest will be paid at maturity on June 19 after the government's 25% withholding tax. 3 listed companies have reported their financial results for the quarter under review. Seprod is reporting sharply higher first quarter profits despite lower revenues linked to the lingering effects of Hurricane Melissa on the tourism and hospitality sector. For the 3 months ending March 31, the manufacturing and distribution group recorded profits after tax of $1.65 billion. That represents a 94% increase compared with the corresponding period last year. Looking ahead, Seprod says it remains focused on regional expansion, improving efficiency, strengthening brands, and driving long-term shareholder value despite continued global economic uncertainty and supply chain pressures. Next, Caribbean Producers Jamaica is reporting a first quarter loss as the company continues to recover from recent disruptions linked to hurricane impacts. For the 3 months ending March 2026, CPJ posted a net loss of just over $1.1 million. This compares with a net profit of $1.8 million in the same period last year. The company says the first quarter reflected a critical period of stabilization and recovery for its operations, particularly in hospitality markets that are still not fully operational. Moving from distribution, we turn to finance. Sterling Investments is reporting lower first quarter profits amid foreign exchange losses and weaker gains from investment sales. The company posted net profit of $16.08 million, a decline of about 65.7% compared to the year earlier. Sterling says revenue totaled $23.2 million during the quarter, mainly due to unrealized foreign exchange losses caused by an appreciation of the Jamaican dollar. Despite the decline in profit, Sterling says total expenses fell sharply by more than 67%, while equity increased by 3.5%. The investment company says it remains optimistic that ongoing market volatility and global uncertainty will create attractive investment opportunities going forward. For the trading period of May 19, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 18,895,629 units, representing 43.33% of market sales activity. Lasco Distributors Limited with 5,957,265 units, representing 13.66% of market sales activities. Woodcats International Limited with 3,891,585 units, representing 8.92% of market sales activity. Investor activity remained concentrated in distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for May 19, 2026. Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $156.57 and buying at $158.84. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by 61-cent transaction spread. The Canadian dollar sold for $115.59 and was bought for $114.98. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $2.32 in profits for the bank. The British pound sold for $212.23 and was bought for $209.91. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import cost debt servicing or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, credit is often treated as something to fix after problems arise, but the more powerful approach is to treat it as infrastructure. Your credit profile is not just a score, it's a trust record, a financial identity, a leverage tool, and a timeline accelerator. When managed intentionally, credit reduces friction across your life decisions, and when you ignore your credit score, it quietly increases costs and limitation in almost every category that matters. So the question is not simply, what is my credit score? A more strategic question is, what kind of life becomes possible if my financial profile lowers the cost of every major decision I make? Because in practice, credit does not just determine what you can buy, it influences how freely you can live. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.